If you've ever been hit with sudden, painful
Right, right,
bloating or intense stomach gas in the middle of the night, or
right,
right
right.
after a meal, you know how miserable it feels. You need relief, and you need it fast. Before you reach for synthetic antacids, try this powerful natural remedy that starts calming your digestive system in just minutes. To make this ancient home remedy, take 1 whole glass of fresh drinking water. Squeeze in the juice of 1 full fresh lemon. Next, add about a 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground black pepper, and finish it off with 1/2 teaspoon of natural pink Himalayan rock salt. Stir it thoroughly until completely dissolved, and drink it down. Here's why this simple blend works so fast. Fresh lemon
Right,
juice
right.
stimulates your stomach's natural digestive juices and bile production, helping break down stubborn food particles that cause trapped gas. Himalayan rock salt delivers trace minerals that aid hydration and soothe stomach lining irritation. Meanwhile, the active compound in black pepper, piperine, stimulates digestive enzymes, encouraging trapped gas to move through your system quickly. Within just a few minutes, you'll feel the pressure ease up and your stomach settle. If you struggle with chronic bloating, heavy digestion, or frequent trapped gas, making this drink a daily morning ritual can work wonders. Consuming it once a day on an empty stomach helps tone your entire digestive tract, improves overall nutrient absorption, and keeps sluggish digestion at bay
Right,
long
right.
term. However, there is one crucial warning you must keep in mind. If you suffer from severe acid reflux, GERD, or active heartburn, skip this remedy.
Right, right.
The citric acid in the lemon can irritate an already inflamed esophagus. For everyone else dealing with unexpected bloating or heavy stomach pressure, keep lemons, black pepper, and pink rock salt stocked in your kitchen. It is one of the fastest, safest, and most effective ways to restore your gut comfort naturally. Give it a try next time your stomach flares up, and enjoy fast, natural relief. Thanks for hanging out today. Take care, and see you guys soon.
Right, right.